Okay, now that you have your workbook all set up to do some pages, here's where you'll find the pages that are assigned for you to complete. You'll go to your Google Classroom. I'm bringing back the classroom page. And when you log in, you'll be directed to this first page, which has any streaming activities, which is not likely. But you will select classwork at the top of your page, and here you see an example of what a daily lesson assignment would look like, and the link to the page will be posted here, and there'll be any directions in this box before you open up the link. You should be sure to read those. So in this one it says be sure to save your work in your notebook, and you do that by checking that little box in the lower left hand corner. Once it's checked, you're good to go. But it doesn't hurt to make sure it's checked as you move on through the workbook page. So you open it up and it should take you right to the page that's assigned in your Think Central account. And you'll see that I have asked you to work on page. This would just be a practice and making sure you're getting comfortable using the notebook page. So this page will just be for practice using that. It's page 23 in your workbook. And I'm going to try something out in this recording. You can change the view because my eyes are kind of old and that print is really small. So I think I think it's still interactive even if you choose the page view that shows the pages in large and give you a larger print. If you still select on the problem, this is a different login. So my notebook has not been checked. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. And this is a different student's notebook page. So the answers are not included in there. And you go ahead and answer each question. You can skip around if you want to skip to a different question, or you can want to go back. This allows you to skip around the questions during the page. But according to my experience working with this workbook, very rarely does the questions kind of go in succession. In other words, they get more difficult as you move through the problems on the page. But sometimes walking away from a problem and coming back with a set of fresh eyes is perfectly fine. Close my notebook and go to another page. So in your classwork tab, under the directions, maybe I might have you do a couple of pages. So if I have you do more than one page, you can go to the next page manually in your account. Oops, I didn't put a page number in. So you can go to your next page and so on. So make sure you read all the directions. Oh, I guess I need to enter the pages all the time. Unless, if you're in this view, I think you can go straight down. So sometimes I might even have you do a quick quiz, which you can do in your notebook. And as long as you close it in their notebook, oops, would that have saved? Would that have saved? Probably not, because if you notice, when I'm in my notebook view, when I pop up a question, did you notice this wasn't checked? So if you close it out and this isn't checked, your work will not be saved. And when I'm correcting these, you might get a message from me going, hey, you didn't finish that workbook page in Google Classroom. So this is just a day to familiarize yourself with these digital formats of some of our lessons going forward the rest of this school year.